So we ordered up a new dolly for the AZ spam can. Check it out here. So we got 2 wheels. Comes with a strap. Then we'll strap it on. We'll see if that works out. And then it looks like you don't even have to assemble it, really. It's just the wheels are held together by pins. Has a cool little kickstand. Looks like the kickstand bends back in when you don't need it. Kick the kickstand up. And I believe it was $50 or $55 on Amazon. And voila. Seems very sturdy. And then it has the kickstand on there so that you can, you know, put your boat, kayak on there. And then it has this strap to strap it in. So all in all, not too bad. The tires don't look like they're super inflated from when you get them, but they have valves to air them up. So mounting options. We're gonna see how it best mounts up to the Jon Boat with a Longtail on it. And voila. You strap it through right there. Put the kickstand up so it's out of the way. It's strapped to the boat. Seems pretty solid. And it straps in like so. Probably gonna have to air up the tires though. Alright, and it says to inflate to 30 psi. So once you get it loaded in the bed, you will have to take that off because it'll just dangle from the little strap and collapse. And then as you can see, it comes right up in the boat. Alright, so we're over here at West Wetlands. We'll try to launch this thing. Test out this little dolly that we got off of Amazon. See if it works pretty good launching the boat. Alright, so taking it in and out of the truck was pretty easy. Wasn't too terrible. Its mounting point is a little flimsy. But we'll try to launch it right now. See how it does. Rookie! Forgot to put the plug in. Folds right up. It might even be able to fit underneath my boat. one dink on the boat. So overall, it's not in my way. Folds down nice and easy while I'm out here fishing on the deck. So that's a pretty good win. I'll be able to take it with me pretty easily, not just leave it in the back of my truck. This engine's running great. I changed to a 7.5 prop, but now I'm having problems keeping it in the water. So I'm probably gonna have to do bend the skeg and put a trim tab on it, because all that extra power from this engine wants to just pop out of the water where I'm going. I was able to do 20 miles an hour with the 6.5 inch prop, and I changed to a 7.5, and I was only able to get to 16-17 miles an hour because the prop wanted to pop out of the water. So I'm definitely gonna have to bend the skeg and then put the trim tab on here. But otherwise it's running good. Good shallow water anchor. Alright. So pulled it up onto shore here. So now it's time for the off-road test. See how this thing handles pulling through sand. Pretty easy. One-handed dragging it. Go get my truck. Alright, and then you just strap it in like so. This guy will just hang like that. Just drop the strap with a quick release. Holds right up. Put the kickstand in. Right in the boat and out of the way. No need to drill any holes in the transom. Found it to work pretty well. And only about $54. I'll put the link in the description on where to get this off of Amazon. And I think it's a pretty good design. Drug it up through the sand and everything, no problem, and loaded it up in my truck. Worked out well.